Today we are going to explore the chemical aisle. A little information about every product on that shelf. It's just good to know. All right, real quick, I'm going to start from the beginning on gluing pipe and fittings together. Now, we use the term gluing because it looks like gluing, but we're actually fusing the pipe together chemically. Three main types: ABS, PVC, and CPVC. In every case, the proper procedure is to glue the inside of the fitting, the female side of the fitting, then the male side of the pipe, and then put them together and rotate to a quarter or a half turn. That is the proper way to conjoin pipe and fittings. Now, let's look at the products one by one to see how each and every one of them is unique and is very application specific. For most PVC applications, people prime the pipe and the fitting. What that does is it deglazes, softens the material, and gets it ready for that chemical reaction. We sell two types, clear and purple. It's a preference thing. I worked with some people that said we use purple primer so we can see where it ain't, meaning get it on everything that's going to glue. All right, on the adhesive side, sky's the limit. You will see a common theme that reads low VOCs. Essentially, that's volatile organic compounds. Anything that would be harmful to the environment or humans. We've done a really good job here of reducing that in all of our chemical products. So glues come in colors, bonds, and product specific. Let's just look at a few. The blue glue, 721, it's a medium bond, meaning that it will handle pressure applications to about 12 inches of pipe, but it's not designed for high pressure or large volumes of pipe. We've got clear glues, gray glues, and of course the fan favorite Christie's Red Hot that has a primer inside of it. Sweet. There are glues designed for wet applications. If you can't get the water out of the line, you can glue it wet. There's traditional black glue made for ABS that does not require a primer. And then, of course, a special milky clear ABS glue. What in the world? I don't know how I feel about that one. And, of course, check this out. A catch-all, a glue that's designed for ABS, PVC, and CPVC, transitioning from one to the other. We have adhesives designed for CPVC only. And lastly, some Blaze Master glue. This is designed for fire sprinkler applications and is to only be used with the Blaze Master product. A little side note here, you can see we carry two different brand glues, Well-Done and Odie. Ultimately, that's because the manufacturer would cut a deal with a contractor and we carry it specific for them. When being asked for an adhesive product, the brand doesn't so much matter. You need to make sure you're selling the right product for that application. Next on the chemical aisle is pipe dope, thread sealant, joint compound, all the same thing. This particular one here is designed, I guess, to glue sharks together. Wait, sorry, my notes are a mess. Pipe dope is designed as a lubricant and a sealant. In a perfect world, you would run Teflon over your threads, then run pipe dope. And what that does is your Teflon is going to seal and your pipe dope is going to lube and seal. Let it twist hard against the taper. Let's look at a few very popular brands. You know how everything in plumbing is dirty, just sounds dirty? Listen to the name of these pipe joint compounds. All right, Great White, Slick Type, Pro Dope, Rector Seal, fun, Blue Monster, and Key Tight, also known as Gorilla Snot. And just to increase the hilarious, plumber's grease, snake oil, and to fix everything up, Medicock. All right, let me go over those last three, tell you what they are. Plumber's grease is designed for putting on O-rings and things like that, stems and all that stuff. It's a real fine lubricant to help things slide nice and easy. The snake oil is designed for sewer guys. When they're running cables down the drain, they're just carbon steel cables. So they would coat this on their cables, like put it in a bucket. It'll deodorize and keep them from rusting. And the last one there, that Metacock, that is a fire stop. When you drill a hole in a wall and run a flammable piece of pipe like ABS through that wall, you use fire caulk around the outside of the hole. In the case of a fire, that caulking will swell up and choke out the fire, not letting the flames and smoke go through the wall as it's burning the pipe. Metacock. Cutting oil is exactly how it sounds. For guys that are making threads on plain end black galvanized steel pipe, this particular oil is the lubricant and keeps things from getting way too hot. A nice clean cutting surface. This is the spray version of the exact same thing, and this is the budget spray version of the exact same thing. The old water displacement 40. Not to brag, but this one sprays 2 ways. Very progressive. Pipe wrap primer. If you're going to bury steel pipe into the ground, carbon steel pipe, it would rust almost instantly. So pipe wrap primer is a coating that goes on the outside of the pipe, and it cleans and makes an adhesive surface, and then you wrap that pipe with mill tape. That 2x10, 1x10, 2x20, all that stuff you sell every day, mill tape is designed to wrap around the outside of steel pipe so you can bury it in the ground. Sizzle, one of my favorite products we sell. This will literally dissolve any sort of hard water, calcium, urinal salts. It's designed to pour down a urinal and just get rid of any of that calcium and stuff that's in there. It's gone instantly. Clobber is its big brother. It's designed to dissolve hair, clear drains. These are the best products on the market for those particular applications. The thing you gotta know, the plumber will, but we need to know, you gotta be very delicate. It's hydrochloric and sulfuric acid. It's the real deal. You can't be in a room if it spills. It's very dangerous, but very effective. VisuGlow. Yes, this is glow-in-the-dark soap. It's also kryptonite for leaks. See what I did there? Kryptonite because it's green. Okay. What you do with this product is as you're fitting a gas line together or any sort of threaded connection, you wipe that kind of soapy goo around the joints. And if it creates a bubble, that's your leak point. It's literally just a leak detection soap. 2 more, y'all. Okay, this is upside down paint for marking on the ground, like where lines go, where you're gonna bury stuff, or if you want to tag on a rooftop, it's ideal. Chaka. All right, last and most popular item on the chemical aisle is a tube of DAP. This is tub and tile caulk. People will come in and just ask for DAP. This is what they mean every time. Comes clear, white, almond, biscuit, all kinds of different colors. The number one seller is white DAP. Let's talk chemicals.